Hi folks, how we doing? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to try and get this front wing off carefully, delicately and without damaging it, hopefully. So I've had a quick look at it. It's been a couple of days since the last video. Let me we've got a bit more light today. Let's have a look. So like I said in the previous video, it's been seam welded there, so should be able to sort of cut it carefully. I don't think any of this is attached. I should be able to get my oscillating tool in there and do that. There's a bolt there, and then I don't think there is any spot welds on this at all. There might be one there. Sorry, I'm not framing very well. I'm trying to look. There might be one there, but let's see how that goes. I know there's a couple on that side. This is going to be something I need to address, and then the main issue is, I don't know if you can see because of the light. It looks like it's been stitch welded on the edge of that thing, so I've got to basically just grind it all back. So let's see how it goes. So yeah, that's the fun job for this morning. Hopefully I can get this wing off, and then we can have a look at what's behind it. I know some shit that's behind it. The other garage already uncovered it. Hopefully there's not too much more. So that wasn't as bad as I was expecting. So I tried to sort of grind the weld off, it didn't happen. So I ended up just cutting it. I can clean that back up. There was obviously nothing else attaching that at all. There's a little bit at the bottom. The bolt with a speed clip, literally nothing on here, you can see cleanly, nothing on here. And then this was all just stuck on. This lip was a pain in the arse, because they had welded right on the edge, so I had to grind that back carefully. But we've still got plenty on there, we've still got plenty on the wing. So yeah, you can see where it was all stuck on. This is what I was telling you about and noticed through the wing, which is quite bad. There is a little bit there that looks like filler to me. I think there's a bit there. Sorry about the light. That looks like filler to me. So I'm now going to get the grinder and start cleaning everything up. See what is actually behind all this shit. There you go. As I said, that's filler. I literally just touched with the grinder just to prove it, and then exactly the same down there. So now I'm literally using a strip and clean disc, and I'll get this all back to bare metal, and we'll see exactly what's behind this. If there's anything else hidden, I will sort of show you, but yeah, I don't think it's going to be great. Literally 5 minutes in, and I've uncovered this fucking dodgy plate, and then a plate upon a plate, and more filler. That shit stinks. I don't know what that fucking is. But then if you look here as well, that's all filler. Oh, we're not doing too well with this one, are we? And it looked fucking lovely. Just wanted to come back to sort of things being hidden. So obviously you can see that's been welded on there all the way around, and then there's another little plate there. You look at this side of it, that's all nice, smooth and shiny. So I wonder what's there. Also, if you look through this hole, I don't know if that comes up on camera, I don't know. That looks like it's quite a lot of filler there, because hold on, where are we at? I'm trying to frame this. Hold on. So yeah, look at that fucker, look how thick that is. So I expect to find some filler there. We'll see. I'm going to keep going. You've obviously seen what I've uncovered. I'll just keep going now. I'll just keep doing it. I'm not going to keep stopping at every little inconvenience, but I need you to see there is some shit. Right, so this is where we're at the minute. Obviously that's blatantly fucking obvious. That hole wasn't filler, that's just 2 skins of metal. But the major concern that I've found is that I've just pulled this plate off the bottom. From there, as you can see, that's filler. And I ground through it. Look, that is all filler. See if we can bash it out with a fucking screwdriver quick. Look, that is all fucking filler. And that's the suspension mount. And that's filler. And this was a painted car. Like, it went to a garage to have all the mechanicals done. Somebody sold this car like this. I mean, I have a conscience. Seriously, who the fuck are these people? This is actually starting to piss me off. You know, fucking Lawrence has paid fucking good money for this car in good faith, and it's a bag of fucking shit. It's actually starting to annoy me. The more things I find, it's actually angering me. I want to find out who fucking done this car, and I want to go fucking slap him in the face, because this is absolutely fucking disgraceful. How can you put a car on the road like this? How, in good conscience? You know, there's fucking children about. Children might be in this car. Fucking wankers. Right, I'm done for today. I'm actually just getting more and more pissed off. You see, I got irate about the fucking dodgy repairs, and yeah, they're just getting worse. Let me show you what I've just found. Look at that fucking thing. So where I ground it up with the filler, that was literally all filler. There was no metal in there at all. That's a little bit of metal. That's metal, and then that's the original. And then, fucking look at this. Look. That's just all fucking filler. I am so fucking angry that people can allow this shit to be on the road. Yeah, I mean, obviously this car has never been on the road, but, you know, potentially it could have been on the road. You know, it looked okay. I mean, you look at that side. I suspect exactly the same on that side. So, yeah, you can see where I've gone down there, tried to clean it up, but I'm just angry. Look, it's fucking, you can see filler there. Just look at that. That's a suspension mount. That there is literally the suspension mount. That's what holds the car up. A fucking piece of shit bit of fucking filler. So yeah, I'm calling it a day, because I'm just getting angry, and then I'll end up smashing something up. You know, like I said earlier, you know, I have a conscience. I have morals. You know, I'm not the fastest worker in the world. I'm not the best worker in the world. I wouldn't say that I'm the best fucking fabricator in the world. But one thing I do is make sure shit is safe. And this ain't fucking it. And it's really pissing me off. So, sorry, I was playing. I had to distract myself. I was getting in a rant. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I'm going to call it a day for this video. As always, please check out my friends in this. Yeah, I don't know what. Please check out my friends in the description box. So I can say it. Yeah, go check them out. Please have a look at my merchandise store, Teespring. Please have a look at Patreon and support me where you can. And I'll see you for the next one. Cheers. Bye.